Today we are here at the CHINNS cave house. Careful. Here. Wow. It goes back. This is so cool. Do you got the flashlight?
Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah, it goes back, y'all. Looks pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
Now I'm going to show you all the difference between my phone light. Okay, there's that there. Not as bright, so you definitely need a flashlight. It goes deep in there, doesn't it?
Yeah.
We are in the CHINNS cave house. There is a bit of a hill we have to get to. You know, it's kind of like a steep hill, as you see right there. We are under a road right now. That's what it sounds like. Oh wow, it's muddy right here, y'all. Now it starts to get small back there. See how small it gets. You can see that there, how there's like a rock formation where you gotta step onto if you want to go any further down. That was a rock. Thought something touched my hand. Yeah, let's get this video to 50 likes. As this is getting smaller and smaller and harder to breathe, as you can tell, further we go in. Wow. Just look at the work that God put into this cave, you know?
Yeah.
God made this cave. Don't race up too high, remember that. Yeah, I am walking fast. It's not as watery as I thought it would be. It's actually decent. Oh. It's definitely a workout. Oh. Listen to that echo. Wow. Hello. Did you hear that? Oh man. It goes deep in there too. Wow. Whew. Our knees starting to get sore. I say right back over here till we get turned around. All right. Ooh, that's cool right there. I want to see what's in that corner, then we could turn around. Because I think it gets smaller now. Yeah, it gets smaller from there. So, far as where we could go without getting stuck. And yeah, so we're gonna get turned around here. Go ahead and go, Joey. Let me know when you need to take a break. We'll take a break. Yeah, I'll get this video to 50 likes. This is risky, because if we raise up too high, it could potentially hurt our head. You can take a break if you want, Joey.
I'm trying to get out of that little hole.
Right? Yeah, understandable.
I want to keep spinning down.
Yeah. We're almost to where we can stand up more. Careful.
Go force.
Alrighty.
You can try.
Here. Take it slow. Like I said, y'all, let's get this video to 50 likes. Whew. That one was a doozy, wasn't it?
I won't come back here.
What's that?
It won't come back to this one.
If we do go back, we don't have to go that route, you know? We'll just stay where we can stand up. We don't have to go through that small hole, you know? If we do ever go back. But I'm right with you about not going to try that again, because that puts a strain on our knees.
In the back.
In the back,
In
so.
the head.
And risk to the head if you raise up accidentally too high. But God definitely make the cave beautiful. This is my first time seeing a CHINNS cave house. Because as the making of this video, there's going to be ice and a snowstorm on Sunday and Monday. So I want to bring out as much content as possible before that happens. Holy crap. There's a pentagram with upside down crosses. I don't know how we did not see that. I want to take a picture of that. Trying to get a good angle of it. Alright, let's make our way out. Got it? Thank you all for watching.